G'day, thanks for watching. Let's have a look at the Dow. This is the weekly, bring some data in. Well, that looks like it's fractionally pushed up the all-time high, just a fraction. So the Dow's still making all-time highs, just confirms long-term underlying uptrend. And what this weekly phasing is suggesting is that we're going to run into a 40-week cycle low sometime between the 2nd of November and the 21st of December, with the centre of the overlapping orbs being the 30th of November. Now that's pretty broad, which is why we bring it down onto the daily. Let's import some data on the daily. So we can see confirmation that the all-time high was surpassed. And now we've got a bit of a pullback. Let's have a look at how many days along. From the 14th of October, which is the 40-day low, through to the 22nd of October, that's 8 days along. And we're probably running into a 10-day low. And there's no reason why, once that low is made, why it shouldn't push up to further all-time highs, subject to the strength of the underlying uptrend. Having said that, we're coming up to a 20-day cycle low sometime between the 29th of October and the 5th of November. Once that low is made, we'll be able to better forecast the coming 40-week low zone, which at the moment is between the 17th of November and the 24th of November. And the centre of that orb, if you want a single forecast date, would be the 21st of November. Now, this is just probability, no guarantee. So a drop into the 20-day low zone, 29th of October to the 5th of November, then lift out the other side. And it will be very interesting to see whether the lift out actually continues to push up into all-time highs. We would then be in the final 20-day cycle of a 40-week cycle. And 3 weeks down, that's your 21 days, 3 weeks down, that's certainly not unheard of for a 40-week cycle low. And usually the 40-week cycle lows are visually significant. Now, that's a bit far out at the moment, but that gives us something to keep an eye out for. Thanks for watching.